Dodge, renowned for its muscular performance and bold design, unveils the Dodge Durango Redesign Concept for 2025, redefining the landscape of full-size SUVs with an infusion of cutting-edge technology and an aggressive design ethos. Externally, the Durango Redesign Concept makes a powerful statement with its reimagined front grille, distinctive LED headlights, and sculpted body lines. The SUV exudes an aura of strength and athleticism, showcasing Dodge's commitment to uncompromising performance and visual appeal. The aerodynamic enhancements not only elevate the SUV's aesthetics, but also contribute to improved efficiency on the open road. Inside, the Durango Redesign Concept promises a blend of luxury and technological prowess. The cabin features premium materials, spacious seating, and an upgraded infotainment system that integrates seamlessly with modern connectivity options. The redesigned dashboard offers an intuitive interface, ensuring that drivers stay in command while enjoying a contemporary driving experience. Under the hood, the Durango Redesign Concept takes performance to new heights. With advanced powertrain technology, the SUV delivers a potent and exhilarating driving experience. Whether cruising on highways or tackling rugged terrains, the Durango Redesign Concept offers a perfect fusion of power and precision, staying true to Dodge's legacy of high-performance vehicles. As Dodge envisions the SUV landscape in 2025, the Durango Redesign Concept stands as a testament to the brand's dedication to pushing the boundaries of automotive excellence. Enthusiasts eagerly anticipate the production model, expecting a new era in the Durango lineage that seamlessly combines muscle and sophistication, setting a bold standard for the future of full-size SUVs. With the Durango Redesign Concept, Dodge once again proves that it's not just a vehicle, it's an embodiment of uncompromising power and style.